Guys, it is Matt. It is March 12th. It's a Tuesday, and we're going to jump in and look at the market and my trades for today. So you can see SPY bounced, had an up day with a nice little run at the end of the day if we take a look at it. So, yeah, a little dip in the morning and then a nice run, a little pullback, another nice run to newer highs for the day. I like it. It's good stuff. All right, so we can look at the other indices, Qs, much the same. IWM still closing red on the day, and then the mid caps having a little better day than. So definitely small caps suffered a little bit today, and then large caps did well. I think really mega cap tech was the leader. Um, but let's take a look at what I had on the watch list. This one went nowhere. BK looked like it might wanted to do something and then kind of took a shitter the rest of the day. Uh, ABEO, yeah, that one actually had a nice little pop, but didn't take that one. Gap, man, this is one of those ones mm, I was looking at this for the longest time, all through this chop here. Oy, and then just didn't pull the trigger this whenever this was, Friday, I guess. And and there it goes. And I even thought about jumping in on it today as it broke this price level here around 22. But like in pre-market, I was like, hey, if that happens, I'm in. And I just missed it when it came down to it. I had Hilton on my watch list and didn't take that. I'll explain in a second why I didn't take some of these. IBM's another one that I was watching all through that consolidation chop there over the past couple weeks, and then just didn't pull the trigger when I needed to. And for various reasons. But today would have been a good one as well. MRNA, this is one that I got in yesterday, um, and it pulled back a little bit today. Right, I was getting in late again. The real entry for a breakout was probably down here somewhere. I got in yesterday, kind of on the break of this level here, and uh, yeah, I'm still comfortable in the position. I just a little pullback today, and then hopefully we just get another run up. We'll see what the market does tomorrow. I'm not too worried about it. Let's see. Lulu, possibly maybe breaking that downtrend line. Depends how you draw your lines, I guess. Microsoft is so this guy. Let's look at this. So I entered this morning here on the early break and then had my stop just below the low of day. Ignore these lines for now because it's my second entry. And then it pulled back, stopped me out, dipped a little lower, bounced, and I re-entered here right around this 409.52 level. Then took some profit at 1R as I always do, and moved the stop to break even. And we're up around 2R at this point, and hopefully, I don't know why I did that. Hopefully, we're headed to good things. So, all right. Uh, let's run through these really quick. The rest of them: power, no go, MTRX, AFRM, DraftKings. Yeah, this is one that was definitely on the list, but just didn't have the get up and go. Um, DELL, I tried this one this morning. So this is what I meant to say. So I took the Microsoft trade first, the first Microsoft trade, and I got my dick kicked in. And then I jumped in DELL, and that started to look like it was going to work. And then Microsoft bounced back too, and I was like, nice. So I jumped in Microsoft again, which was a good trade. And then DELL just rolled over like a pig. Look at that thing. Like, hey, look, things are going to happen. This is awesome. And just tanked. So, all right, well, that sucks. So then I was like super nervous in my second Microsoft because I was like, man, I already just took like two, you can call them max losses, I guess, right? But that's why I missed some of this other stuff too. Like I was watching Now, and that had some good momentum, and then some of the other ones that I mentioned that I missed, like Gap and Hilton, and even IBM maybe today. I was just already so nervous. I was a little gun shy, right? So I kind of missed out. I would say maybe underperformed a little bit today, um, uh, just because the kind of the way the first 5 or 10 minutes of the market went. But still happy in my positions. I'm still in This guy, uh, sorry, yeah, GTES. This is up over 6R now. So still holding a sizable chunk of that position, almost half of my position, I think I'm still in after trimming some more yesterday. And then also in MRNA from yesterday, and then Microsoft today. So overall, we're doing well. We'll see where these trades end up. And if you've got any comments or questions, leave them in the comments. Adios.